Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 5 Minecraft mod packs for low-end computers. On number 1 we've got FTB Lite. FTB Lite is a veteran of the modded Minecraft scene, and its enduring popularity speaks for itself, as it's built on an older version of Minecraft, so it avoids many of the performance-heavy visuals of the newer packs. It offers a balance of mix and tech and magic and exploration mods, providing a taste of what Minecraft has to offer without overwhelming your system. It's perfect for everyone who wants a smooth, enjoyable experience without constant lag. Plus, the 1.7.10 modding community is still active, so you can find plenty of resources and support if you need it. Number 2 is Agrarian Skies 2. Imagine Minecraft stripped down to its bare essentials, a single floating island. Well, that's this mod pack. This Sky block pack throws you into a challenging survival scenario. You're confined to a small area. The game has far less to render, making it incredibly friendly to lower end hardware. This mod pack focuses on questing and progression, guiding you through the process of building your island empire from scratch. If you love a good challenge and want a mod pack that won't break your computer to its knees, this is the perfect mod pack to try. Number 3 is Regrowth. Regrowth offers a truly unique twist on the survival formula. The world has been ravaged and it's up to you to bring it back to life. This pack features a custom world generation system that encourages exploration and resource gathering. While it has some custom visuals, they are generally less demanding than those found in more modern, visually intensive mod packs. This pack's focus is on rebuilding and revitalizing the world. It's a great choice for players who want a fresh and engaging experience that won't tax their system. Number 4 is Vanilla Enhanced Packs. If you don't want a completely overhauled experience, then look for any mod pack that has Vanilla Plus or Vanilla Enhanced in its title. These packs carefully select mods that enhance and expand upon the game without drastically changing the visuals. This approach allows you to tailor your modded experience to your liking. You can search for these packs on CurseForge, Modrent, or other mod pack platforms. You'll find a variety of options to choose from. Number 5 is Direwolf 20 1.10.2. Older versions of the Direwolf pack are often lighter than new updates. This pack is known for its balanced mix of tech and magic mods, and the older version offers a good compromise between features and performance. It's a solid option for those who want a well-established and popular mod pack without the resource demands of newer versions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us or contact our support. Bye guys!